Hey you guys, today I'm going to show you what to do if your cellular data isn't working. Recently there was a spike in people's phones going to SOS mode. This basically just means up at the top of your phone near where the Wi-Fi and your cellular coverage is would be replaced by an SOS. People aren't able to make phone calls or text messages. There's a bunch of different ways to trigger your cellular data to start working again, and I'm going to go over all of those with you guys today. So have your phone on hand so you can follow along as we go through. Let's jump right in. So we'll start off simple. The first thing you're going to want to do is restart your iPhone. To do this, you're just going to hold down the power button and the volume button, and then the slide to power off should come up. You'll slide to power off, and then you're just going to press and hold that power button again until the Apple logo pops back up. Your phone's restarted and turned back on. If this still hasn't triggered your cellular data to turn back on, make sure you're in a place with a stable connection. So if you're in a parking garage or you're somewhere where you don't have a good connection, then obviously you're not going to be able to make phone calls or text messages. But if you're in a place that you normally do have cell coverage, like your house or your neighborhood, then the next thing we're going to do is eject and reinsert our SIM card. If you've never done this before, what you're going to need is a small pin-shaped object. Normally when you buy an iPhone, it actually comes with a SIM card remover. I don't have one with me, so I'm going to show you how to do it the DIY way. I'm just using an old earring, which is equally as effective as the pin that comes with the iPhone. You're just going to remove your phone case if you have one on. On the side of your iPhone here, you'll see there's a little piece here with a hole in it, and you're just going to insert the pin and pop it right out like this. So it should come out pretty easily. Careful not to lose the SIM card. You're just going to pop the SIM card out. You're going to put it back in. You're just going to gently push that back in like that. This is a really effective way to trigger that cellular data again so that it's turned back on and working. If for some reason this still didn't work, the next thing you're going to want to do is restart your network settings. To do this, you're going to go into your iPhone settings. You'll scroll down to General. And then we're going to scroll down to the bottom of this page and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then we're going to click Reset, and another page of options is going to pop up here, and we're going to reset network settings. Once you click that, your network settings are going to automatically reset themselves, and hopefully this gets your data back up and working. Hey, if you're finding this video helpful, you can also support the channel through super stickers. These basically just help fund the channel, and it helps us continue to create videos and content for you guys. Thanks, and let's get back to the video. If that still doesn't work, check to see if you have an update available. So if your iPhone isn't up to date, this could be affecting your cellular connection. So to look for the update, you're just going to go into your settings again. We'll go back into General. And Software Update, we'll click on this. As you can see, there is an update available for me, so I can either click that update now, I can update later in the night if I wanted to. If my cellular coverage wasn't working, I would want to update right then and there. The last thing you're going to want to try is activating your eSIM. So if you don't know what an eSIM is, it's a digital SIM card that basically allows you to activate a cellular plan from your carrier without having to use a physical SIM. To activate this, you're going to go into your settings, and then you're going to go into your cellular. And you'll find here in the blue that Add eSIM here. So you're going to click Add eSIM, and you have a couple different options here. So you can transfer a phone number from a nearby phone, or you can use a QR code from your carrier. Once that's set up, your cellular coverage should be up and working again. But that brings us on to the last thing that you should do, and that is call your carrier. This, in my opinion, is always the smartest thing to do. When your cellular isn't working, oftentimes it can be carrier specific. So when you call them, they can sort of give you some more information on what's going on. It could be a nationwide thing, it could be a tower is down or something. Often they can answer all of the questions that you have and just give you a little extra help. Alrighty, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that one or all of these steps worked for you. Let me know in the comments if you found this helpful and if it worked for you. Thanks again, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video.